So guys, here's how much the whole setup cost. If you buy it all out. Buy it in one go. But then let's see if I can price it cheaper. Let's see if Acme Tools has the whole setup. If you can buy it all separate. Right, let's... Let's see how much of a difference it would be. So... let's... let... But then you need way more stuff than what they show. So you're not getting much of a discount at all. So you're only getting... hey, $58.98 discount. Which is nice, but it's not worth the 4 damn grand like people are saying. And plus, like, you're missing a bunch of other stuff you could add to the automotive setup. So it's really not worth it. But if I ever get the money, long term down the road, I'm thinking about buying it. Or I may just stick with my setup and just keep on building on my setup. So, I hope you guys understand and like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you get notified when I upload live stream, make YouTube shorts, and keep an eye on the community tab till YouTube makes videos so you get notified when I post.